What's up, cooks? It's Wednesday. So the other day on our live stream, I had mentioned that we have an Instant Pot Vortex oven. It was sitting next to me and I said I need to get this baby out of the box. I bought this thing months and months and months ago, and because everybody was getting them, so I was like, I need to get one, right? I have since heard a lot of issues about this oven, but it was already well beyond my date to be able to return it. So I got it and we might as well try it. So join me. We're going to get this Instant Pot Vortex oven out of the box. We're going to put something in there and try it out to see how it works. So what's up? It's Wednesday. Let's do this. So this is basically an air fryer oven. So it's a little different than a traditional air fryer because the air fryer, you have a basket that comes out. This is more like a toaster oven, but it's really square. And it's made by Instant Pot. It is called the Vortex oven. This is a 7-in-1 oven. So you could do stuff similar to what you can do on other kinds of air fryers. French fries, chicken, pizzas, all kinds of fun stuff in this baby. It has customizable smart programs. It has an extra large capacity. The glass door is removable for cleaning. And it has a lot of safety features, and it even has a rotisserie with a basket. I don't think you can put like big chickens in this thing. I think it's sort of like Cornish game hen size, but it also has a basket that you can rotate French fries and stuff in. So let me see what we got here. The box is very big. So in here we have your standard recipe guide. This is your starter kit. How to use it. You also have safety and maintenance and your warranty. Okay. So we also have using the rotisserie accessory guide. We have this big fork looking thing that you lift the basket out with. We have the rotisserie, what do you call this? Stick? Skewer? You have the little, these go on your rotisserie so you can hold your chicken in. What else do we have here? Some packaging material. Ooh, and we have a cooker. Yeah, we have a cooker.
Do you need delivery services?
Possibly. Sweet, huh?
Nice.
Ah! Trash services.
All right.
Oh my gosh. Okay. What do we have here? It's big. So that's the cord. And ta-da, 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 da, 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 ta-da. I've been in the house for like a week and a half straight. I need to find some way to entertain myself.
You're still hot, Boo-Boo. You're close. You're getting warmer.
Ah,
We're free.
hey. Holy cow, okay. So, this is our Instant Pot Vortex. And here's our little oven, so we're gonna open our door here, maybe. Take the tape off. That would be a good start, huh? Ha boo. E boo. don't cook with the towel under it. I'm only doing that so I don't scratch my cooktop.
I'm just a camera person. I have no comment.
So, wow, that is a heavy door. Remove all packaging. Okay. He's the trash person.
Get the styrofoam out there too.
Okay.
For those people at home, 2 hands is usually recommended.
Okay. So this is our basket.
Yeah.
I take it, does this thing go through the basket? Maybe not.
No, because it's got the
Okay.
things on the end.
Here's our,
Are those like the shelves or what are they?
these are the shelves. Now, one thing I can say that I kind of like this over some of these ovens that I've seen, they have like just this metal mesh kind of shelf. And this is like a non-stick shelf, way easier to clean this than those other kind. So big time props on that. So that's how you put your shelves in.
You have a drip pan, it looks like this.
Yeah, this is a little drip pan. I do like that. I'm gonna give Instant Pot some serious props on that because they have like this mash looking stuff that looks kind of like a strainer. And when you put like, you know, some chicken wings, saucy or something on there, that's a nightmare to clean. So this is like way easier to clean.
You don't have any mechanical stuff getting in the way with that drip pan. It's just a straight drip pan.
I'll give them that. So after reading the instructions, there's 2 little bars here. So you take this basket and it has these little things on each side. You're gonna put that on that bar, send it back. This one's gonna go into a groove. You're gonna pull this notch forward and you're gonna push this back and push it in there. And then it's locked in there. So, so I hit air fry. We're gonna rotate. You put the temp, time, start. Ooh, look, it's rotating in there. It is rotating. Sweet. So let me grab something from the freezer and let's try this baby out. Okay, so what I did was I did a full burn off of this thing. So I let it run at 400 degrees on air fry for about 20 minutes. And then I let it cool down. It didn't smell well while it did that. So I'm hoping that it burned off a lot of whatever it had in there. I also washed out our racks and I put them in here. Here's our drip tray. So we're gonna run our first cook on this. So I have some vegetable spring rolls. These are my favorite spring rolls that are frozen, not fresh, but they taste pretty good. So let's see how this goes. So I usually cook these in a regular air fryer for about 9 minutes. So one of the things I saw when I was testing this out is it has a light on it, which I think is pretty cool. So you can see what's going on the inside. So we're gonna set this on air fry. I'm gonna do 390. And with my other ones, they take about 9 minutes. So that's where I'm going on here to see how it goes. So the way this works is it's gonna come up to temp and it's gonna beep when it's ready, and then we'll put our spring rolls in. So as soon as that does that, we'll be right back. Okay, so it just beeped, and let's pull this out here real quick. Whoops, I dropped this. And so, oh my gosh, okay. I guess that doesn't come out like that. Okay, let's put our spring rolls in here. And yum. Let's do 6. 6 spring rolls. Put them in here. We'll let it go for 9 minutes and we'll see what we got. Okay, so I got a little beep, so it wants me to turn these over. So let's see what kind of progress. Ooh, we're making progress. This might not even take the whole 9 minutes like my other one takes. These are crisping up pretty good. Maybe only a couple more minutes. It's a little hot. Maybe only a couple more minutes. Okay, so these things look like they're done. I think it's taken about 8 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and turn that off. So let's take these out and see what we have. Ooh, they're nice and crispy. Look at that. I'm gonna go ahead and close this oven door. And yeah, they look pretty good. So let's serve them on this little plate. We have some chili sauce. Ooh, yeah, they're nice and crispy. Woo! They look pretty yummy. So let's try one. So, the Instant Pot Vortex. Seems like it took like 9 minutes. These are hot and crispy. Very hot. They're very hot. I think it took about 8 minutes. So it was even slightly faster than my regular air fryer. They're really delicious. So I think it did a great job. A lot of people have had a lot of trouble with this. So, you know, this is just our first cook on it. So I can't really say, you know, I can give it a buy because a lot of people have had trouble. And some people have even had to send theirs back because they've had a lot of issues with them. So, but since I am stuck with it now, you know, I'm going to use it until, you know, I have issues with it. Otherwise, it did a great job on these. So cooks, this is the Instant Pot Vortex oven. It's kind of a neat oven. I like the looks of it, but I am really concerned about, you know, its quality, whether we'll have issues with it. It did a great job on this test though. So stay tuned. I'm going to cook a Cornish game hen in here. I'm going to try. A little concerned whether or not it'll fit in here, but we're going to give it a shot just to see how it performs. So what's up? It's Wednesday. Thank you for joining me. I hope you're having, you know, a great, relaxing lockdown, right? If you're staying in your home. Join me on Thursday at 6 o'clock. We are going to do another live. And this time we're going to be talking bread machines. I'm going to bring out all my bread machines. We're going to look at some of the features of all of them. You can ask me bread machine questions. And we're going to talk a little bit about the state of baking in our current lockdown situation. So this Thursday, 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time, I'll be putting up the live stream in advance, an announcement about it. So it'll be there. I'll also put the link in my Facebook page. So thank you for watching. It's Wednesday. We're going to get through this and let's have a little bit of fun in the meantime, right? If you like this video, please subscribe below, leave me a comment and a like, and visit my website at amylearnstocook.com. You can also catch me on social media at facebook.com/groups/amylearnstocook. You can catch me on social media at Pinterest and Twitter at Amy Learns to Cook, and on Instagram, I'm at Cooking with Amy. And these are nice crispy egg rolls. Really good. Okay.
Cut.
Using-
Cut. I'm sorry, all our faithful viewers. An alien has not taken over Amy's body. Let's redo that last scene. Okay, let's action now.
So the way this works is it will come up to pressure. Woo, that's hot.